I'm Melissa with WTI. Have you ever wondered how to degunk your microwave? Well, now you don't have to. This microwave protective cover will keep food from splattering all over your microwave while you warm it up. It also has a vent on top to adjust the amount of steam you would like to use while warming your food up to keep it from drying out. I really like that it doesn't fall off like a paper towel or a napkin might. And I also don't have to worry anymore about what type of chemicals I use to clean out that stuck-on food. It never feels good when you open your microwave up and you smell chemicals that you had previously used to get that stuck-on food off, and then you place your food in to warm up. So save time and give yourself peace of mind of having to clean out your microwave with harmful chemicals. That's just my point of view.